Assalamu alaikum. Hello guys. I hope all are well. Now I am going to talk about my today's activities. After performing my Fajr prayer, then I have decided to do physical exercise in our locality road. The road name is Hyderabad to Raipur road. That is also called the busiest roads in our locality. Actually, this is my sixth consecutive day. That is also called my morning running challenge day. So Alhamdulillah, I have achieved my another desert line. My today's adventure is Mizi station to Fozumulla station, as well as place to place by 20 minutes. Alhamdulillah. Thanks Almighty Allah for giving me an opportunity to sustain these successive efforts. Alhamdulillah. Uh, uh, Please keep me in your prayers so that I can sustain my successive efforts in the way. Yeah, actually, if I discuss in brief, physical exercise is important for our body and mind. I assume that everyone have to do physical exercise regularly. That is uh, important for uh, freshing their body and mind. Uh, uh, then as well as you can reform yourself in a new model. So I hope you have to understand the importance of physical exercise. Then you have to choose it. Okay. So inshallah I hope I will do better in my next day, inshallah. Okay, thank you. Assalamu alaikum.